Hello guys. We're so bored. Ano kaya magandang gawin? Since malapit na yung February 14 with my daddy. With my dad. No! Kantahan muna natin si Daddy for Valentine's.
Eh, pre, di ba nasa fourth floor? Ayun.
Pila'y nananalig masakit sa ating pag-isip. Ito ay pangarap na bituin. Take me natin sinasarap. Hindi like you did before. Touch me once again and remember there was no one but you want to know. Don't go, you with my hand. She's loving my pain. I've been looking sad when she walks away. Did you know I'll be staying this day? I've been waiting for you. You're inside my heart. I'm the one who wants you up. Yeah, you love. You will say I can get. Yan na naman. Opening to lang. Don't want to love you. Someday. Bigat-bigat. Shit. Masih Sarah. No. So you cannot go. Has been with me. I went back to see all the things that you're here tonight. Come here. Will you summer?
I hope you like my singing, guys. Parang na-inlove ka naman sa akin yan. Parang na-inlove na naman siya sa akin, guys. Look.
Magkano pa rin siya?
Tignan mo yung angulo mo, Bex. Aray. Sakit. Gago pa yung pimples ko sa... Bye.